Hello everyone, welcome to Traveling Bits from Abu Dhabi. And with me, I have my friend Barha, who has picked me up from Abu Dhabi main bus terminus. And we are going to Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. We are now in Murur Street, and Hamadan bin Muhammad Street in Abu Dhabi city center is about 5 to 6 kilometers from here. Distance between Abu Dhabi main bus terminus and Abu Dhabi airport is about 30 kilometers. Our current destination, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, is about 15 kilometers from Abu Dhabi main bus terminus. Come with me and let's enjoy the drive. Not like, crowded like Folks, that's the first look of Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in the distance with the sun setting in the horizon. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is the largest mosque in UAE. It was started by late President of UAE, Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. The landmass of the mosque is about 30 acres and the construction started in 1994 and was completed in 2007, and it was inaugurated in December 2007. We just entered the mosque compound and we will be going to the basement now. After parking our car, we reached this floor, which seems to be full of shops. Let's go around. I'm sharing the timings on the screen, please note it. And also please note that there is no entry fees to Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. However, you would require to book. Either you can do that by going to the website of Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, which the link I will share on the screen. Also, you can book it once you are here and take your passes from the mosque premises itself. Every day, tour is organized in the mosque premises to take people around the mosque and talk about the mosque and the cultural experiences. This is conducted by Sheikh Zayed Mosque Center, and people should arrive at least 15 minutes before the tour time, and the approximate length of the tour is about 30 to 45 minutes. I could see visible changes throughout UAE. In a way, I can say they are revolutionary. Just now, you see there is this placard called Tolerance Path. De-radicalization is going on everywhere. Note that people are not allowed to bring food and even water when you are visiting the mosque to prevent any damage to delicate marbles and carpet. Children are allowed in the mosque, but they must be under the guidance of the parents. We are about to get the first close look of Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. And here it is. This is indeed a beautiful mosque. The main dome of the mosque will clearly tell that it has been inspired from the domes of Taj Mahal. I would suggest that you plan your visit here in the late afternoon. That way you can see both the evening and the night scene, which is very mesmerizing. If you are visiting during the daytime, know that it's going to be very hot, and also you are suggested to wear a sunglass because the marble are reflecting light. We have now reached the inner area of the mosque. The mosque is large enough to accommodate about 40,100 worshippers. The main prayer hall can hold over 7,000 people at the same time. Also, there are another two prayer halls which have a capacity of 1,500 each, and one of them is for women.
We have been at Sheikh Zayed Mosque, the Grand Mosque here at Abu Dhabi. It's really amazing, and I would suggest that you come in the evening so that you enjoy the lighting as well, and stay away from the heat which will be there in the morning. And we are now waiting for the cultural tour which is going to take place at 7 p.m.
If you have not subscribed to our channel Traveling Bits, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for future updates. You will be able to visit the inner area only as part of guided tour. To visit here, you will have to open your shoes. There is a separate room where you can open your shoes and you can come here either barefooted or with socks. The carpet inside is said to be the largest carpet in the world and is manufactured by an Iranian company. There are 3 chandeliers and they are some of the largest chandeliers in the world. That's it for today. Please let us know your thoughts through comments, likes and shares, and please subscribe to the channel Traveling Bits. Have a good day. See you again.